Hey friends, if you wish to full screen on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. But before I proceed further, I want you to know that this is not possible for every application because there are few applications like Microsoft Office applications like Word in which you will have to click on this focus option to make it full screen. Okay. But for other applications like general Windows applications like File Explorer, all you need to do is press F11. Now, if to exit this mode, you have to press F11 once again, but there is a catch. This F11 key is bound with the FN or function key on your computer, so you may have to press it together with the function key, the FN key. That is what you can do. This will work in that case. As I can explain it again, there are different focus modes for a few applications, but for Windows related applications and most browsers, all you need to do is press the F11 key. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.